Hello everyone. Myself Vasanthi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from St. Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Uzu. Today topic is Introduction of Assessees. These are the agenda: definition of assessees, types of assessees, assessment year, previous year. So introduction of assessee. The assessee refers a individual, entity or organization who is liable to pay a tax or is subject to the assessment of the income for tax purposes. Definition of assessee. Any individual who is liable to pay a tax to the government against in any kind of income earned or any losses incurred by him for a particular assessment year. So these are the categories of assessee. The term, the persons include individual. So first one is individual. So individual means a human being. So a single person. So it includes a minor or a person or unsound mind. So second one is HUF. HUF means Hindu undivided family. So the consist of all persons leanly descended for a common property. So they have common property and having a separate taxable entity. So next one is partnership firm. So partnership firms are business structures having two or more individual and manage and operate a business according with the terms and conditions of set out of a partnership deed. Company means it includes a legal entity like Indian company, body corporate, incorporated under the laws of foreign country, any institutions for any of they are any company offering a limited liability to shareholders. Other entity, it includes the trust, associate of person and then local authority and body of individuals. So next is types of assessee. There will be a 4 types of assessee. So first one is normal assessee. An individual who is liable to pay a tax for their income earned by him for a particular financial year. So individual who is supposed to make a payment to the government in the form of interest or penalty or anybody who is entitled to tax refund under the IT Act is an assessee. So individual are grouped under the category of the assessee. Second one is representative assessee. So an individual who is liable to pay a tax for his income or losses incurred not only by him but also income or losses incurred by a third party. The people who needed a representative or non-residents or minors or lunatics. The people representative them are either the agent or guardians. Such a peoples are deemed to be representative assessees. Third one is deemed assessee. So deemed assessee, an individual who is put in a position to pay a tax for some other person by a legal authorities. For example, a minor for a lunatic person or idiots. These types of assessors act as a guardian. So these peoples are treated as a deemed assessee. So fourth one is assessee in default. Assessee in default means an individual who has failed to fulfill the legal duty of paying a tax to the government. So employer is supposed to salary to his employee after deducting the TDS from their salary and submit the same to the government. However, if he fails to do, they are treated as a assessee in default. So next is assessment year. So assessment year means which is the tax on income earned in the previous year is assessed and paid. It will be the period of 12 months starting from 1st April to March 31st. For example, the previous year is 2022 to 23. The assessment year would be a 2024 to 25. So income of the previous year is assessed and taxable in the immediately following assessment year. Next is previous year. So previous year means the financial year immediately preceding the assessment year. So income is earned in a year is assessed in the next year. The income is earned is known as a previous year, and the next year which is income is assessed is known as a assessment year. So these are the following financial year from 1st April to 31st March. So for example, if you are filing your income tax return for the financial year 2023 to 24, the previous year is would be a 2022 to 23. This means your income earned in the financial year 2022 to 23 will be taxed in the financial year 23 to 24. So these are the difference between previous year and assessment year. So previous is the financial year which the assessee earns income. So assessment year means it is a financial year which the income of the assessee earned during the previous year will be evaluated and taxed. The year to be which income belongs. The year which the income tax is liable for the previous year arises. So previous year is 12 months or less. Assessment is in the term of 12 months. The previous years required to maintain the proper record and documents of the income and expenses. In assessment year, we have to be file our income tax return based on the previous year records and documents maintained. So these are the assessment for you. Kindly comment in the comment section. Thank you.